Ever wished you could control exactly when a step in your Zapier automation runs? In this video, I'll walk you through Delay by Zapier, what it does, how to set it up, and how you can start using it right away to automate smarter in 2025. First things first, open your browser and head to Zapier's website. If you're not already signed in, click the login button in the top right. You can use your Google account for quick access. Once you're in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. This is your starting point for all automations. From here, look for the Home option in the navigation menu. Click that, then hit the Create button you'll see on the page. Choose Zaps so you can start from scratch with a brand new automation. Every Zap begins with a trigger, so start by selecting Trigger. This is the event that kicks everything off. For this example, we'll use Gmail. Select Gmail as your trigger app and then choose the event New Email. That tells Zapier to watch your inbox for anything incoming. Once that's set, click Test to make sure Zapier can actually detect new messages. It's a simple check, but super important to avoid errors later on. With the trigger working, it's time to add your action, and this is where Delay by Zapier comes in. In the action step, search for the word Delay. You'll see Delay by Zapier pop up, click it. Now pick your event. For most scheduling needs, choose Delay Until. This lets you stop the Zap at this step and resume it at a specific date and time. You'll see a field where you can enter that date and time. For instance, if you only want the next action to run tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., just type that in. This is incredibly useful if you're spacing out tasks, sending timed follow-ups, or avoiding after-hours actions. Once your delay is set, run another quick test. It ensures everything flows correctly, from the trigger through the delay all the way to the final action. Testing now saves you headaches later. When everything checks out, go ahead and publish your Zap. That single click activates the whole workflow, delay and all. From now on, each time your trigger fires, like a new email hitting your inbox, the Zap will pause at the delay step and continue exactly when you told it to. And that's really all you need to start using Delay by Zapier confidently. It's simple, but it gives you powerful control over timing and workflow efficiency. If you've been trying to automate smarter rather than just faster, this is a game changer. If you found this helpful and want more step-by-step automation guides, stick around. There's plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.